Hello, my first name is Ferguson. My last name is Dale. My call sign is Juice, professional aviator by trade. I am the founder of Semper Sky, a service-stable, veteran-owned small business and Hub Zone certified company based in Quantico, Virginia. Today, I'm presenting our commercial solution called Ready, Resilient Real-Time Disaster Interface, which is pronounced Ready and spelled R3DI. Ready is a commercial software platform already being demonstrated with county emergency managers in North Carolina and Virginia. It is innovative because it combines peer-to-peer communications, drone integration, and shared situational awareness into one tool that keeps working even when networks are degraded, contested, or offline. This represents a new application of existing mobile and aviation technology for maritime operations, disaster response, and interdiction missions. So, here is the maritime environment DHS is responsible for. You have Guam, the Northern Marianas, the Federated States of Micronesia, and all the way over to Hawaii. These are isolated, storm-prone, and heavily maritime-dependent regions. If FEMA changes its footprint, DHS and the Coast Guard still have to operate here. Ready is designed to work where infrastructure is limited, contested, or destroyed. For example, let's place a wildfire incident in Micronesia. So we have the Federated States of Micronesia here. I'm going to zoom in. And what I'll do is just for the demonstration purposes only, I'm going to upload a file. So let's just see wildfire on an island. Okay, you hit report. Normally this would just, you'd be able to snap a photo from wherever you are and it would do the coordinates for you. So this is made for people who cannot necessarily read a map. AI detected it with about 85% confidence that this is a fire. Yes, it is a fire. I'm going to put test because this is a test. And then I'm going to locate it on the map. We'll just put it right here. Okay. And I'm going to confirm that location and then I'm submit the report. Even in a degraded environment, Ready lets responders share that alert instantly with peers. So as you can see here, it would be shared with everyone. At first, you would only see the icon. Once this icon or the image you took passes through a filter to make sure there's no foul play or anything going on, and it verifies the coordinates and location match the image, then it will show you the image itself. So we have an instant alert on the ground, port operators, a Coast Guard cutter nearby. That information syncs when connectivity returns so no one loses track of what is happening. Now let's take a look at Guam. So back out of here and we're gonna go to Guam. Drone activity around ports or Navy vessels, assets is a real concern. Ready gives DHS a way to channel hobbyists and commercial drones into a legitimate neighborhood watch capability. Instead of noise and confusion, their data flows into a shared picture that DHS can use. Disasters don't just hit infrastructure, they displace people. So I'll go ahead and show you the drone swarm. So we'll get our picture. Okay, we'll pick one near ships. Report. I trained the model to recognize most disaster-related things, but when you have lots of things in the picture, the model hasn't been trained fully yet for that. Drone storm test. We'll give it a severity level of 4. Let's put it near some sort of a port. Confirm location. Submit report. Okay, so we have that as well. Okay, Northern Mariana Islands. With Ready, a responder can mark the capacity of this shelter on a smartphone and everyone plugged in can see it right away. That reduces duplication of effort and speeds relief. You have your first responders actually responding to emergencies and they're not hand jamming a bunch of things. So again, we'll do this. Let's look for a shelter. And let's say it's Red Cross. Yep, medical supplies. It looks like AI figured it out with 75% confidence. We'll place it right here. Confirm that location. Submit the report. You can also submit equipment. Now, I could jump over to Hawaii, but I'll just tell you that maritime interdiction in contested waters are a daily challenge. By integrating drones, ground reports, and peer-to-peer communications, Ready provides shared domain awareness across agencies, whether it's Coast Guard, CBP, or local responders standing up operations. Ready is live today, and we're also working on features that expand what you see here. One example is a universal remote for drones. Instead of juggling 5 different controllers for 5 different systems, a single interface will allow an operator to fly multiple types of drones through Ready. That means DHS components and county partners can scale up drone use without manpower and training burden that currently slows adoption. Whether it's a wildfire, a shelter, an unregistered drone, or an interdiction at sea, DHS needs a resilient, digital first way to stitch all this together. Ready is the lightweight commercial tool that does exactly that. And it's only getting stronger with the features we have coming next. Thank you for your time.